Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force. The RAF's Air Mobility Force and Tactical Medical Wing have deployed the largest air mobility exercise that the US Air Force has run for years. Exercise Mobility Guardian has tested Voyager and Atlas to deliver air power with our Canadian, Australian, French, Japanese, New Zealand and American allies. The UK donated 17 surplus fire engines to Ukraine's military fire service. They were supplied by the RAF and Defence Fire and Rescue, with one provided by the Welsh Assembly. Thousands attended the Royal International Air Tattoo at RAF Fairford. Organised by the RAF for the RAF Charitable Trust, RIAT is the world's largest military air show and showcases international air forces and aviation industry partners. Yorkshire University Air Squadron held their annual leadership exercise at RAF Leeming. University Air Squadron offers undergraduates a chance to try the RAF life, and they attract students into an RAF career. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.